I'm trying to make like 8%, no 7%, just $7, just to complete this morning trade session. I'll have to wait. It's going up a bit right now, so I'll have to wait for it to pull through. I'll be right back. Okay, so trade has pulled through, so that's $7, right? Now you can be doing this every day, all right? Every day. But you see, you need the required training. Rome was not built in a day. You can be earning 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 every day. Now, it is slow and steady. You don't rush it, all right? You don't need to rush it. I have a signal service that is free that you can learn to use, all right? You can see it's not, it's just small. Can you be doing two trades every day and be having good success? Yes, this is like showing you 2 trades every day, and then you're having good success. If you're having like $30 every day consistently, it's better than you trading the whole bunch. You are trying to trade 10 trades, 100 trades, and you end up with nothing. So little by little, you see, those are signals that I'm trading showing up on the screen. They come, I trade them. You can receive the signal for the whole day, but that does not mean you have to trade them the whole day. Okay, this account was with like $100, so making $30, $40, $50 every day is not bad. Okay, for today right now, this is just about like $15, and $15 is more than like probably 7,000 there. You need to understand it's doable, but slow and steady. Do not rush it. God bless you. See you in another video. Okay, I thought I stopped the recording. I saw the signal, so I wanted to show you. Already, I thought I had even stopped the recording, so I just quickly entered the signal. You can see the trade. Okay, you can see it. I just won the trade. Okay, I thought I had stopped the video, but the trade happened. So you can see my balance increased. I don't need to do plenty. I've done that much, I'm okay. I've done 3 for the day, I'm okay. So at the beginning of the day, I've already made like $21 or so. So $21 is more of like making 10,000 naira. You've already made 10,000 naira. That's good. Hey, wait another day and do another one. Okay, guys, God bless you, and I'll see you in another video.